community to our spiritual dad.
Sans oublier notre Père spirituel.
I want to thank God.
Je veux remercier Dieu encore
Because He has done it.
parce qu'il a déjà fait.
I was always coming here. Every Tuesdays, every Thursdays, I must have to cry.
Chaque jour, je viens ici le mardi et le jeudi. Mais je voulais être en train de pleurer.
Because of the load I'm carrying.
À cause des bagages, je suis en train de porter.
I've been here coming to pray always for my brother who was working on his passport and things wasn't easy for him in that process.
Je venais ici pour prier pour mon frère. Il voudrait avoir des passeports pour aller ailleurs, mais ce n'était pas facile pour avoir les passeports.
In his process doing the passport, his documents went missing when he was going to process it in Dakar. He put all his documents in his envelope and slit it. But while reaching in the office, the document disappeared.
Au moment où il se préparait pour aller traverser les documents, il avait mis ses documents dans l'enveloppe. En arrivant au bureau, soudainement, les documents qui étaient dans l'enveloppe étaient disparus complètement.
But when I bring that case here, Papa prayed over it, and those things came back. Those things came in his envelope back from nowhere.
J'étais venu ici pour partager ces affaires avec notre Père spirituel. Alors notre Père a prié sur ces problèmes. Au moment où je vous parle, ces documents étaient retrouvés dans l'enveloppe.
And again I came with the passport here to pray over it to bring a call of visa. And God did it. That visa also came.
Au moment où je vous parle, il a trouvé ses passeports. Il y avait aussi les cas de visa. Il a trouvé aussi les visas pour aller ailleurs.
But the devil is always following also my brother. Again, after that, they sent an email to him that we have cancelled your visa.
Finalement, le diable était aussi présent. Ceux qui avaient travaillé le visa ont dit, on a banni, on a annulé le visa.
But these prayers of Thursday last week, I didn't want to come for the prayers, but I want to thank my sister there, Beatrice. She's always with me, standing with me. She said, no, let us go for these prayers. I told her, I'm not coming. She's like, no, we have to go. Then I came for the prayers. I came without even the olive oil, but she brought for me. After that, Papa said you should brought all the oil to be broken here. I came here, I threw mine even refused to get broken. I said, God, I didn't want to.
Beatrice Gamano durante a bisete da reque. Ma che così mi abbia problema a Italia, ma per capire a Bangorosi.
Le jeudi, j'étais un peu découragé avec la situation. Et alors, j'ai une sœur qui s'appelle Béatrice. Il a dit qu'on puisse venir. J'ai dit non, je ne peux pas venir ici. Il a dit que non, qu'on puisse venir. Finalement, c'était la journée spéciale pour l'huile d'olive. Alors, Béatrice m'a acheté une bouteille. Au moment où on devrait briser l'huile ici, j'ai commencé à jeter, mais c'était en vain. J'ai dit que non, démon, qu'est-ce qui se passe avec toi?
And I said, God, we're your children, really, remember me. And then, as if Papa also felt that, Papa came immediately here and told someone should enter inside. There are some bottles which were not broken. I said, thank God.
Mungu ngadikini wazinze papa Maria sikini tupa azindi ali gake andi korusi anzini ifika manu tupa logba ikini Mungu mina waliform eyo mi bale atwa Mungu ni masiya di meyosi.
Finalement, le jeudi, lorsque les gens jetaient la bouteille, papa avait déjà remarqué qu'il y a quelques bouteilles qui n'étaient pas brisées. Ils ont dit pour le protocole d'entrée pour briser ces bouteilles. J'ai dit Dieu merci pour cela.
Then I went home confident because my bottle was broken. That's I thought now what my yoke is already broken.
I'm believing a kwa asian to be as in the past of Sakongolo by Yosokini, Marvel to by the Andita Ira, even in Marvel and Zirikori of the Onyosaro.
Alors je suis rentré à la maison en paix parce qu'on avait déjà brisé ma bouteille qui était un peu difficile à briser.
I went home, I found my brother was sad seated outside. And then I did a say I on and I went and poured my water and I went inside.
My different cool and I didn't address everything. Sandy Bemiletia and I looked in it, I be my young Timothy.
En arrivé à la maison, j'ai trouvé mon frère était assis. Alors seulement je l'ai salué. Je me suis allé me baigner.
I told him, don't worry, brother. This God we are serving is a living God. God is going to prepare your process of going. And indeed, God did it. I went inside and picked some bottle. I poured some water, this blessed water. And then I wrote his case down and I placed it on the handkerchief. I said, God, this my brother must go outside because you never fail our spiritual dad and you never fail me.
En sortant de la douche, j'ai dit pour mon frère, il ne faut pas pleurer. Dieu que nous sommes en train de servir, c'est un Dieu vivant. Alors j'ai pris l'eau bénie, j'ai pris aussi l'huile, j'ai déposé, j'ai dit que vous allez partir ailleurs. Mais c'est vrai que c'était fait, il est parti.
Preaching Saturday, we received email that Rose you come, we have already settled your case. And as I told my
everything we told us yesterday, my thing I did, what I got in the soup. Kini me asi we only for the temple. Ata me on the staff and the Mungu ni disappointed. Ati asi mudi Uganda is am fe boyo.
Le samedi, c'était un miracle. Mon frère a reçu un courrier email. On a dit qu'on a déjà récupéré votre temps. Il faut venir ici chez nous en Europe.
Vawan, thank you so much. The God you are serving is a reliable God and dependable God.
Papa God you're serving is a reliable God. She was coming. She was coming. But God has not yet done the thing she really wants. So her faith was shaking. Her friend told her, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She obeyed. She came. She joined the prophetic prayers. And a lot of things happened. So the documents of your brother disappeared. Just like that.
Just like that in the vehicle. He reached in the office when they called him now to bring all those documents out.
Documents disappeared.
The ID was not there.
Everything.
Yes.
Everything was not there.
Yes.
When you came here.
Yes. When I came here, you prayed.
I prayed.
Yes.
Then the thing reappeared.
Yes.
In the back.
Yes.
Can the devil do that? When you carry Jesus genuinely, you carry authority. Even forces of darkness obey you when you give a command. Forces of darkness, they obey you when you give a command. The documents appeared. And he got the visa. See, with God you need to be patient. God is not your boyfriend. That you want him to give you the thing now. No. One of the fruits of the Holy Spirit is patience. People may not like you. People may not appreciate you. Be patient. One day they will see what God is doing through you.